Today on JiffyWiz, we unbox the Basilisk. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. Monday is magical with JiffyWiz. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video of Noble's magical creature collection. This is number 3, which is the Basilisk. The Basilisk. Oh God. The Basilisk from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. It looks really cool from the outside. Let's get into it. Basilisk. All right, let's get started with this unboxing of Noble's Magical Creatures Collection number 3, which is the Basilisk from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. It looks pretty cool from the outside here. Let's take a look at the box here. On the front, it's got the name of the creature. It's got the castle on the side there. On the back, it's just got that. On the side is that department for the regulation and control of magical creatures. Bottom and the top, not much there. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right. So here is the Basilisk. Let's go ahead and take the top off here. So this is my second magical creatures. The first one I had was Hedwig. You can check out that video up there. And it's packaged really well. Let's go ahead and undo the packaging here. And I don't know if you can see, but they also protect the fangs of the Basilisk. Put in some tape to the top there, so I can take that off. All right, the Basilisk is free. Let's take a closer look. Start over here with the head. This is just really detailed, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but like the paint and the level of sculpting detail is amazing. The teeth and the tongue and the mouth area are just phenomenal. Most of the time when I see a Basilisk reproduction, it looks toy-like and fake looking, and this one is the opposite. It is awesome. So it looks like he's got his pose very similar to when he's on top of Salazar Slytherin. If you look down at the bottom mount, you can see Tom Riddle's diary and the sword of Gryffindor. The only miss I see is if you look at the sword of Gryffindor there, it should have like a red pommel ruby fixture. You kind of just painted it all on gray color. So I might adjust that. The way that it fits on the base is it actually has like a kind of a cutout, and then that fits into the cutout. It's a clever way of mounting it. There's the back there. You can see it's kind of curled around, supporting itself with its tail there. And of course, it comes with this display box here. As you can see, it's the statue of Salazar Slytherin in the display box. So it's all displayed. It looks like this. Very cool. Of course, this is always really helpful if you want to keep things dust free, if you're storing them on a shelf. So as a reproduction, I am extremely impressed with this Basilisk. I think it is really accurate to the movie, and it is just really detailed. The paintwork, the sculpt, everything is awesome. I've said this before, but Noble does a great job with these reproductions of some of the characters and props, especially this magical creature collection. That was the Basilisk. Oh, why can't I say it? That was the Basilisk. Basilisk. That was a Basilisk from Harry Potter, the Chamber of Secrets. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I have subscriber giveaways in the descriptions below. Check those out. Otherwise, we'll see you here next week. Magical creature. The last one I had. Oh, good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.